Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research using Seller Amp and Keepa for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group. So I'm going to post the link in my description below. So it's a group where I do my free weekly coaching calls for free. And it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers, right? So with that said, this is how you guys do product research using Seller Amp, right, for your Amazon business. So the first thing that you do is you open up your Amazon page, right? Your Amazon page like this, and then you open up the supplier page like this, and then you match. You see if their products match, right? So you look at the product title, color, description, size. So yeah, this one is lacrosse men's Grange 18-inch boot. Okay, looks good. What's the size? So size, there's different sizes. Or maybe I should pick a size 8 maybe. So size 8 is 149, and then here let's pick size 8. So size 8 is $84. So from here you plug the number or the cost, so $84, right? So this product is selling at 352 times a month. It is a variation though. So I would go down on variation here, click on the exact variation, click on check. What the heck happened? So this variation is not really getting any sales apparently. So just to make sure, I would go to Keepa, and then I would look for the exact sale per variation on Keepa. So you go to Keepa, you go to variations, and then you pick the exact variation, which is on green size 8. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, size 8. Let's see. So Mossy Oak Breakup Country or country. So you would have to look for the exact variation, right? Mossy Oak Breakup Country. So I think it's this one. Yeah, so this one is only getting 8% or 3% sales. So I would take 3% of this number. So 3% of 352 was a pretty low sales per month. I think 9. Let's see, so 352 times 0.3 is 352 times 0.03. So that's like one sale a month. So yeah, this one is not going to be good because it seems like it's only getting one sale per month. So for this one, yeah. So what I would do though for this one, I'm not really gonna sell this exact variation because it's only selling one time a month or one time a month. But what I would do though is I would look up. I want to say the top 3 variations here because these other variations are getting most of the sales, right? So odd green 11, odd green size 10, and odd green size 12 are getting 20%, and 11% of the sales, respectively. So I would do a reverse search and look for these products because it seems like these are the ones that are going to give you good sales and profit, right? So yeah. So yeah, for this exact variation, I'm going to skip it. And then I'm going to do a reverse search on these other variations right there. So there's that. Next one. So next one is a Resmed zipper CPAP tubing. So it looks like a tubing for a CPAP device, which is a medical device, I believe. So it looks like the same product, $16. Same, okay. Looks the same to me. Cost is $15.95. $15.95. Okay. So this one is getting 112 sales a month. Okay, pretty good. Actually, no, the ROI. So this one is getting 112 sales a month that I shared with other sellers, right? It's pretty good with the sales volume, but my concern is that the ROI is pretty low. So it's starting up at 6%. It's giving you like 94 cents in profit. So what I would do is I would look if there's any sales on this website. I don't think there's any sales. No, there's no sales. So I usually look for like coupon codes on a website, but I don't see anything here. So $15.95. Let me just double check. So $15.95. Yeah, this one is giving me a pretty low ROI. So unless you want to price here or higher, you can. But yeah, this one's too risky though, at least for me. So unless you want to take on a lower ROI or maybe price this product higher over here, then you can. But if not, I would skip this product. So yeah. Next one. Let's see, so it's event. Area event. The 2% cashback on Rakuten. 10x4, so it's $21.99, right? The cost. So it's giving you any sales coupons. Okay, so it's giving you a 42% ROI. This one is selling it 94 times a month. It's a variation. So again, I would go to variation. Here, I would pick the exact variation, which this one, I would click and check. And then this one seems to be getting 100% of all the sales. So this exact product is getting 94 sales a month. It's giving you a 41% ROI. So 91 sales a month that you're going to be sharing with possibly 22 sellers with this much ROI. So, I mean, Keepa is trending down, but it's pretty stable down here. Okay, so, I mean, I think it's pretty decent. It's giving you a 94 sales a month at 40% ROI or higher. The current buy box price is at 50, which is giving you a 53% ROI. So that's good, right? So yeah, this one's a good one. And yeah, that's all for my video tonight, guys. And I hope you guys got value from my video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post my link in my description below. And that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. And with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.